Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? Yes guys, I'm here again to share another information very important for you to listen. Yes, I come across this post that been made by a different child. He made this post on his page on Twitter, which is called X at moment. Guys, there's something that we all need to know. We are all the same, especially the Easterners. If you are an Igbo guy, you need to understand that the more you are fighting your brother, is the more you are paving way for enemy to penetrate you. Yes, we are being marginalized, which everybody knows is not a new information. It's not a news in no more in Nigeria. Both Igbos and non-Igbos are, acknowledge the fact that Igbos are being marginalized. Whether you like P2B or you don't like P2B, whether you want to support Biafra or not, at the end of it all, we are all the same. Most of us believe that breaking out from the country is the best way. Why some believe that through political means that we get a better way for Igbos to sustain and to survive in Nigeria. But at the end of it all, we are all searching for one thing, which is a betterment for Igbos. So if you are a member of Nigerian politics or you are not, and in one way or other you don't want to, get Biafra, or you don't want to remain in Nigeria, the best thing you need to know and to avoid is having a fight with your own brother. In Nigeria today, we have many ethnic groups. Yorubas are there, Hausas and Fulanis are there, Efik, Ijos, many other people are there. TVs are also there. Have you ever seen a TV man, open a page just to fight another TV man? Or a Yoruba man vow to go to war with a fellow Yoruba brother? Sunday Igboho is there doing what he thinks that is best for the Yorubas. Not every Yoruba love what he's doing or what he has done, but hardly will you see them come online publicly to bash their own. So this post that you are seeing here is being made by an Igbo man, a supposedly Biafran person, who once was a member of a follower of Nnamdi Kanu, though he still believes that he's doing the needful, he's doing the right thing, like Nnamdi Kanu taught us and taught everybody. He believed that he's still following the followership of Nnamdi Kanu. But you cannot make this kind of post and expect people to take you serious. It's not good at all. It may be he's doing it out of mistakes or something like that, but no matter what it is, we need to call a spade a spade. Having posed this kind of thing, that you will bragging how you will bring your own brother down and all that, it doesn't make sense at all. Even if you don't believe what he's doing, the best you need to know, allow him to do what he's doing. Focus on what you think that is best for Igbos. I think that's the best way to go. But the way things are looking now, I don't think we have learned from our past mistakes. All these years that Igbos are fighting each other, both in politics are fighting themselves, in the religious field they are fighting each other, in Biafran, freedom they are also fighting themselves. This thing makes me angry. It is not. It doesn't make sense at all. It doesn't make sense. Reading from what he posts now, you find out that he has a lot of anger against Simon Ekpa. Where this anger is coming from, I don't know. What is the intent to achieve by doing this, I don't know. He's not only the one, but the reason why I use him, to incite this example, to make it reference in this video, is for us to know, because this one is recent one. This is a lot of people from different groups are biting each other and hoping to make a way, hoping to get it right. It doesn't work that well. The time for us to rethink is now. Please tell me what you think about this post and comment. Tell me what you think about it on comment section. Share this video. Hopefully it will get to him. Maybe he can rethink. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.